Hi everyone, this is Miss LB with a little homework help video for you for this week. I'm going to model letter B from Tuesday night's homework. We're taking an assessment on Monday night, or on Monday rather, so they will have a homework past Monday night. So letter B for Tuesday, the directions say model the following numbers for your parent using the fewest discs possible. Whisper the numbers in standard form and unit form. I've modeled here standard form and unit form. Your kiddo can write them down like I did or just whisper it to you. As a parent, if you could put a check mark next to each problem they completed and then initial at the top or the bottom of the page so that I know it's been done, that would be really helpful. Here's how they should model 152. They should pull down 100, then count on 110, 120, 130, 140, 150. And notice that I put my 5 tens in a column of 5. We're going to work on modeling numbers in 5 groups so that when I have 10 of a unit, say if I had 10 tens, I could quickly and easily see that I had 10 and exchange those 10 tens for 100. But of course we're doing 152, so I have 150 here. I'm going to pull down 151, 152. Of course, this is the fewest number of discs that I could use to model 152. On Wednesday night's homework, students need to count by ones from 368 to 500. Then they need to change for a larger unit when necessary. And of course, we know that that means if they have 10 of a smaller unit, they're going to exchange for 1 of a larger unit. So, for example, for number 1, 377, they're going to first model 370, and 7 ones, and I will of course send them home with these place value discs. They'll be in black and white and they're going to need to cut them out, but they will come home with them, and I'll also try to attach them to the email. So we're going to count from 368, excuse me, so I should have 368 to start with, and count up to 500 by ones. That is the big part that over here on the directions we need to remember is we're counting by ones, otherwise this work won't make any sense. So I'm at 368, I'm counting 369, 370. Whoa, I have 10 ones. I can exchange those 10 ones for 110. I still have 370. I'm just using fewer discs because I exchanged 10 ones for a 10. Let's keep counting. 371, 372, 373, 374, 375, 376, 377. So then on this homework it says, did you make a larger unit at 377? I'm going to go to the no box because I can't make a larger unit. I need 3 more ones. So right here I'll write 3 ones to make a larger unit. I would need to get to 380 first. So I would then keep going. 378, 379, 380. Okay, I can quickly see because I organized my 1s and 5 columns that I can exchange for a 10. And let's fast forward. So I exchanged for a 10. Now I'm fast forwarding just for the sake of time. I'm going to pretend that I'm at 399. And I've been counting this whole way by ones. And then I'm about to place my next one. Oh, 400. Now I can exchange my 10 ones for a 10, which I've been doing the whole time. And I realize that now I also, because I just put down that 10, I have 10 tens, which I can exchange for 100. So when I got to 400, which is on my homework, did I exchange? Did I make a larger unit? Yes, I changed to make a 10 and I exchanged to make 100. All right, so that's Wednesday night's homework. Let's go to Thursdays. So on Thursday, we stop using the actual discs and we start drawing the discs. So I'm gonna show you how to draw this number 6, 936. The thing with this is that it's kind of a motor skills thing for kids. So what I suggest is that they write the number first that is on their disc and then draw the circle around it. Otherwise, they draw small circles and then have to fit the number in. But for 936, they should draw 900s again in 5 columns. If they need to go outside of the rectangle, go for it. I mean, I need to. So 900s. So 700, 800, 900. It helps them to count while they do it. Again, 5 columns. Then 3 10s. And 6 ones. And that's it for lesson 13 homework, which is Thursday night, and then this is Friday night. They should be able to say 139 is 100 3 10s, 9 1s, or the other way to say it is 139, if I were to represent that with all 10s and not do any exchanging, would be 13 10s, 9 1s. And then there's one problem on the back that I want to show you. It says, write down how you could skip count from 350 to 240. So they're skip counting backwards, which we haven't done before. You might use place value discs, number lines, bundles, or just numbers. They can represent it whichever way they choose. But for example, if they were to use a number line, they could write 350. And then, again, we're skip counting, so they're going to go down to 240. So I can't skip count by, well, I could skip count by 100 to 250. And it would be minus 100 here. And then skip count by 10, so it would be minus 10 to get to 240. They could, that's probably the most efficient way. They could also skip count by 10s, but if they start to do that and they skip count by 10s the whole way, you may want to ask them, look at how many 10s you skipped by. Could you skip count in a more efficient way? Please reach out if you have any questions. I'm happy to always do homework help over the phone. You can feel free to give me a call as well. Thanks.